Hey guys, Noah's RC. Tonight I am working on the Arrma Felony because last night I crashed it. So I was probably doing 40 or 50 mile an hour. It spun around backwards on me and I couldn't slow it down in time. I hit one of these curbs in the parking lot that I drive at, and they're not a flat angled curve, they kind of just are a ramp. So it threw the car through the air. I have replaced so far, I snapped off 2 body posts, and then I did break a rear tail light, which we're going to swap out. And then my 3D printed hood scoop got mangled there. And then the wing also got tabs busted off of it, and then it got completely mangled over here, and some of the skull got kind of beat up, but that's fine. And I guess, oh, I didn't even notice that part of the Y got taken off as well. So anyway, we're going to reprint those few parts. Also, my thing that holds the GPS back here got snapped off as well, so I'm reprinting that. So as you guys can see, I actually mangled both of the rear tires on this vehicle. These hoons just are not holding up to this type of power. I mean, we got 2 motors, 2 ESCs, 12S system total. It's geared for about 130 mile an hour, which isn't anything crazy. It's not record breaking, but hoons cannot hold up to that. So we're gonna have to get some GRPs on order and get this all fixed back up. Let's take a look at how the print's working. So we got the print going here. I only had black, and what is on the vehicle is kind of like a gray. So I'm actually going to reprint the louvers as well. So we have the holder for the GPS will be right here. These are the louvers, and then the 2 things in the back are actually the hood scoop. They're just angled upwards, so it will build them from the bottom up. Well guys, we got the air intake finished. Got it all 3D printed off. Got the louvers reprinted because we have to use a different color this time. And here's our air intake. That's where it exhausts onto the ESCs. And now let's get the wing printed. I am going to make a couple of modifications to the wing. I'm basically just going to make the outer portions much taller than they were before. Hopefully that will give us a little bit more of a vertical stabilizer fin. Alright, looks like our wing finished successfully. Let's go ahead and pop it off here and see what it looks like. That looks pretty freaking sick. We got all the parts for the Felony reprinted. We got the air intake, we got the new wing for the back, and we got our louvers. Let's go ahead and get all this stuff ripped off and equip the new. Alright, there she is, all finished up. Got the wing fully mounted. That active air intake. It's ready to rip.